To jump to the end of your data in an Excel sheet, use Ctrl plus any arrow key. For right, press Ctrl right. For left, press Ctrl plus left arrow key. For up, press Ctrl up arrow key. For down, Ctrl and down arrow key. To select multiple cells in Excel sheet, press Ctrl, Shift and any arrow keys. For right, right arrow keys. For left, press Ctrl Shift left arrow key. Similarly, Ctrl Shift upper arrow key, Ctrl Shift down arrow key. If you want to back to cell A1 from anywhere, press Ctrl Home. If you want to hide or show this ribbon in MS Excel, press Ctrl F1. Again Ctrl F1, it will show. Thank you.